Hello everyone, it's me Miss M. Guess what? Yeah, today we're gonna draw more cats. Why? Because cats are my favorite. Like usual, all you need to prepare is some papers, a pen, a pencil, and eraser, and any kinds of colors that you have. Okay, ready to draw? Let's draw with me. We're gonna start with this happy bright white cat right here. Look how cute his nose is. Alright, I will put him down here so we know how we will draw. First, start with a 2/3 circle of his chubby head. Then, right here, draw a front leg of him. Give him 4 tiny toes. Then finish his front leg. Draw a short line like here for his neck. Under his front leg, draw a curve for his belly. There you go. Alright, let's draw his back leg. It may be a little bit complicated, but don't worry, you don't need to rush, just take it easy. The leg first, then the toes, and then finish the leg. Now let's draw a big curve for his back and the bottom, connecting to his leg. Oops, let me fix this belly a little bit. I think it's too big. Okay, I guess it's better now. Let's give him another front leg. This front leg will have the same height as the back leg we have already drawn. And then another back leg. This back leg will be higher than the back leg we've already drawn. So when you finish, it looks like he's walking. Now it's time for the tail, a chubby tail. Let's get back to the face and give him a nose, a cute smile, 2 eyes, and 2 playful ears on the head. And done. Okay, it's time to pick up your pen or marker and trace along our cat. Remember, take it easy. Alright everyone, now you have done tracing. It's time to erase all the pencil marks and color the cute cat with any colors that you like. Also, another reminder, you don't have to color everything of him. It's okay to leave some white spaces sometimes. And done. Good job. Okay everyone, let's draw our second cat today. This cat looks so lazy, right? First, just like we always do, we're gonna start with his round head and 2 chubby cheeks. With his ears this time, we're gonna draw them to our right a little bit. His left ear done, his right ear Done. And now from his head, we will go down like this, a little bit curvy. Then his small little toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a small curve to our right for his fat belly. There it is. Let's draw the other front leg of him and the toes. Cute. Right here, we will draw a big round curve going up to his head, and that will be his body. If you cannot draw a big curve within one line, just do it like me. Alright, we will draw his back leg, which is being used to scratch his right ear, and of course, his toes. Then it's time for his tail. Okay, finally finish his face with a nose, 2 eyes, and his mouth. Now, what do? We will trace this cat with our pen, and don't forget to give him some whiskers on his cheeks in the end. Good job, everyone! Now you have done tracing, and it's time to color. Just remember, take it easy, and it's okay to leave some white spaces as white fur for him. It's okay. And done! Good job! Alright everyone, here comes our last cat today. As usual, I will put him down here so you can see him. First, I'll start with a short line right here to form his head. Then one pointed ear. Another pointed ear and his face. From the line underneath, draw a slight curve going up like this. That is his back. Next, we're gonna draw his fat tail right here. Okay, from his upper face, we will draw a front leg of him. A small curve like this, with little fat toes. Then moving down and forming the other one. Tiny toes and done. Okay, from his upper front leg, draw a line going up. Then some tiny toes for his left foot. Finish one back leg. Some more tiny toes. And finish a line connecting to his tail. Alright, it's time to complete his face. What do we have to draw? Remember? A triangular nose, 2 round eyes, and a happy mouth, like a letter V. Okay, this part needs your carefulness. It's time to trace all the lines with your pen. Remember, you don't need to rush. Well done, everyone! Now you can erase all the pencil marks and fill him with any colors that you like. Again, I recommend dark gray, light gray, yellow, orange, brown, or even black. But don't color him all black. You won't recognize him after coloring. And done! Good job! Well, thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you had a lot of fun. If you have any request for drawing an animal, an animation character, or anything, just leave a comment below. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you think my video is helpful for you. And it's time to say goodbye. See you guys in my next videos. Bye!